Alrighty guys, it's time to build the client. So in this section, what we're going to do is we are going to use all that awesome build setup stuff we did in the last section, and we're going to put together the entirety of all of our React components. But they're not going to be hooked up to the server quite yet. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to use fake data, fake stores, fake models that will be filled in with dummy data that will allow us to quickly iterate over our development of the client side, and also allow us to kind of get in the mindset of separating out the code that is responsible for our view and the code that's going to interact with the server. So what you see here is what we're going to be writing. Nothing actually communicates to the server. This is all fake data. But we can do things like we can log in, and we get our nice little login dialog. We can join a game. And in this case, we have just a fake game set up. It's not a valid state. I just wanted to show all the different ways that, that things can be presented. So we have our hand, we have our cards that we can select, and we're also going to put together, I can show you if I mess around with my test data here, we're also going to put together the ability to change game options, select sets, and so on, and click the Start Game button, which of course none of these things do anything yet, but they will once we plug them into the server. So yeah, at the end of the day, most of what we're going to write is going to be located in this client folder. We have all of our components, we have our login dialog, we have our game board, our game setup, we have our stores, we have a couple, a library file, and so on. So super excited to start putting this together and get this to this point. And so in the next video, we are going to start up with importing the rest of our node packages that we're going to need. We'll move on to the React router, we'll start styling things, and then we'll kick off writing our React components. So we'll see you guys in the next video.